Hey guys, Peter here from Pete's Tools. Great to have you here again. Horrible day outside here. It's raining cats and dogs, so it's a good day to do a video. Anyway, today I just want to have a bit of a yarn about the old 18 volt cordless Black & Decker drill and charger, and are they any good or are they just crap? Yeah, I'll give you my thoughts on it and have a look at the video, see what you think. Hey guys, welcome to my messy workshop bench here, but never mind, we'll just get into it, eh? I want to talk, if you hear the rain on the roof, don't worry about it, it's just, it's peeing down here. Hey, I want to talk about the old Black & Decker 18 volt cordless drill. Now, to tell you the truth, I never used to like Black & Decker very much. I thought they were pretty sort of crappy things and real low end. But a couple of years ago I bought one of these. I think I bought it because I didn't have any money to buy the next one up. But I was actually very surprised. As you can see, I've glued mine together because I dropped it, it fell off the bench and snapped the end off it. So instead of throwing it away, I would have just chucked it away if it hadn't been any good and bought something decent. But I actually went to the hassle of gluing the thing back together because I really like it. And this battery here is one of two that comes with it. I think the newer version of these is called a Firestorm now or something. It's a slide battery, this one is 18 volt slide battery. Like I say, I never thought much of Black & Decker. A few years ago I thought they were actually ratchet stuff, crappy stuff. But I would actually recommend this drill for you to go and buy the newer version of it because it's really good and it's really good value for money. Anyway, like I say, the 18 volt, I wouldn't buy a 12 volt one. 18 volts, awesome. Slide battery, put it in there. I have to watch mine because I've glued the bottom of mine together, so I have to hold it separately and just slide it in like so. Now this battery, guys, it hasn't been charged for probably a month, so I'll see how it goes. This all looks pretty good for a month not being charged. That's what impresses me about these things. You can, well, if you watch any of my videos, you know I'm sort of like rough as guts. You can chuck this thing in the drawer and then grab it when you need it, and it still charges. You know, I think I've had it about 2.5 months before I've had to charge the thing, and you got a spare battery anyway, so that's no big drama. And also another thing I like on this is you've got the adjustments here. You can see you can go for different torque settings here. Like if you're just screwing in screws, I don't know about you guys, but you screw in a screw, and if you got it on too tight a torque setting, it rips the end off the screw and then you can't get the bloody thing out. But this is cool, see? It won't rip the end off your screw, and the higher you go up, the harder it is to hold. And if you go right up to like 20, see, so we're really getting hard now, get a hard screw out. And if you go right up to 22, so this is, and then you go to drill like that, and that's when you're actually drilling, not getting screws. I'll try and focus this stupid camera. See there on the drill? This is actually when you're drilling with the drill bit. Yeah, but like I said, this hasn't been charged for a month, so. See, it's pretty good for a month, and that just slipped out there, see? We'll go back to drill, and it's actually, look what it's done to my hand. It's actually, I'm really impressed actually. For a Black & Decker thing, this is pretty cool. And that's one speed, different speed. And you probably hear the difference if you watch. See, that's on the high speed, lower speed. See that? High speed. It's pretty cool. And also another thing like these is there's the keyless chucks. Well, I never used to like the keyless chucks because I'm a pretty sort of old-fashioned guy. I used to like the key, but I used to keep losing all the keys. You know, you put the key in there and turn it and to get your drill bit out. But the modern version of the keyless chucks are really good. And yeah, you just flick the thing in reverse like that. Hold it on that. Easy, man. It's awesome. And you're away again. And yeah, you get two batteries with it. I would definitely buy it. Like I say, I wasn't impressed with Black & Decker before. I've got a lot of DeWalt stuff and that sort of thing. I use a lot of angle grinders and that for what I do at work, and I might do some videos on the angle grinders actually, because I went through some angle grinders. Those cheap ones are just exactly what they say in the name, cheap and horrible. But anyway, yeah, I might do some angle grinder stuff. But yeah, this is like I say, this is an honest thing, you know. I wouldn't have bothered fixing the thing because they're quite cheap to buy. But there's nothing wrong with it. Like I say, I've had it for 2 years. I just glued the bloody thing back together because I dropped it, and that was my fault. It dropped it and it smashed right here on the concrete. But yeah, I'll get another couple of years out of this. It's pretty awesome. And like I say, you get the 2 batteries. But also another thing with this is because I brought this originally, I also brought a weed eater and a hedge trimmer that is cordless as well, that fits these batteries like so. This here is my charger for the old weed whacker and the hedge trimmer and that sort of thing, and uses the same battery, which is even better. So this is the big charger here that comes with the weed whacker, and then we just do it like that, and like so, and we'll with it plugged in like so. It goes on there like that. That's for your weed whacker. And then we have the battery here, battery charger here, which is for the drill. Which I like these because you can put them anywhere and you just put your battery down like that and just slide your charger on top of it like so. And there you go, it's charging the battery. It's pretty awesome, eh? But these are both the same chargers. This one here is the quicker charge for your weed whacker and that sort of thing. And this one here is just for the drill. But either way, you can charge your weed whacker battery up with the one for the drill. I mean, it's no big deal. And you can buy these. These are, I think these are about 20 bucks or something. These little slide chargers. I'm not quite sure how much these ones are. I'll whack some links down below if you want to have a look. But yeah, like I say, you get 2 batteries. And this is, I think it might even be older than 3 years mine. And the batteries are still going. I mean, they can't really moan, hey? Well, they can, because I moan and groan, you know how it is. But yeah, they're still chugging away. It's pretty awesome, actually. Like I say, I won't lie, I was not a fan of Black & Decker. But with this 18 volt stuff, it's real cool. It's good. And like I say, with the drill and that, you can drop the bloody thing, and like I say, it smashes that off. But a bit of glue will fix that. Yeah, so anyway, that's just... I would recommend the 18 volt drill. No issues whatsoever. But I'm sorry it's not all pretty and coming out of a box. But like I say, I've used this for at least 2 years. And yeah. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the old video. We'll catch you next time, eh? If you like my videos, just click the like button. Drop me a line there if you want to have a bit of yarn about your experiences on your drills or whatever. And yeah, if you like the videos that much, just subscribe. We'd love to have you there. Anyway, guys, till next time. Keep dry, keep safe, see ya.